I founded IBRAN 10 years ago with one clear mission in mind: to make a positive impact by stopping waste plastic polluting the environment, and not just to pay lip service to it. It's always been clear to me though that to do that, we need to make products that people can actually rely on. Customers only buy from companies they can trust, so for us to lock up more waste plastic, we need to earn that trust. The higher our standards, the more plastic we can lock up. To earn that trust, I've always looked beyond just creating high quality products. I mean, that is the actual bare minimum anyone in business these days should be claiming. It's how you back that up and be a truly trustworthy company that makes the difference. So how can we earn the trust of thousands of customers every single year? Answering questions truthfully and being honest about whether the product you're interested in suits you and your project. Making promises about deliveries that we can actually keep. Setting fair expectations so that your project can go ahead on time. And asking you questions about what your ambitions are. And seeing if we can help you realise them. Whether that's by tailoring the products to suit, or creating new products, or simply just making good recommendations about other products that you can use. Trust is what helps us do what we do. We want to make products that last, so that the plastic just stays there and just stays locked up. Whether you have any environmental concerns or not, the most important thing is trust between you and us.